Hello, everyone. Good evening, and this is the third episode. Let's do a quick recap of what we discussed yesterday. I think three scripts that we discussed yesterday are Aarti Industries, Nifty Next 50, and Midcap Nifty. This has been interesting. Open previous close is the open and slightly up, and then the whole day it has been trending down, which is what we had a look at, and I think this looks good. Aarti Industries has done as the charts were indicating. What about Nifty Next 50? This is the next month. This is closed very interesting by 0.95% above, but the real truth is not what it looks like. This was an intraday bearish position. Let's have a look at this. If you can see the whole day after a gap down, it was trending down except the last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes has given us I think 300 points or so to try and come back and close above from the low, right? Otherwise I think we were pretty good with this view or the chart indication as well. But there's some really interesting things at the last 5 minutes that has happened, which we may keep an eye on for the coming days. Let's see mid cap. I think mid cap closed very well as well. It's a bearish close. It opened, gapped up, it went slightly higher, and then it finished where it was supposed to finish, or where it was expected to finish, and that was a bearish move. Let's have a quick look at the intraday, and um, this is 28th, right? So this is where it started. The first 5 minutes it went up, and then the next 5 minutes onwards was a continuous position of what we had expected or the charts were indicating. Right, this is good. I think we had HAL and Havels that went our way, and these three as well has given us a good uh, view for us. Now let's make this a little more interesting. What I have done is I've consolidated all of the bullish bearish scanner into one. Thanks to, I think, a big shout out to Mangesh from Define Edge. He's the one who helped me with this. Moving on, anchor column follow through, which is bullish or bearish. It will pop up here. 1 minute 0.15%. Scanner point and figure. Then we come to the next month and anchor column follow through, which is 1 minute 0.15%. Let's just have a look at what are the options that pop up. Nothing that I see in the sectors. While we wait, let's have a quick look at these four scripts that have come. Uh, about India, about India is looking good, but there is a low pole. There is a low pole here, and this might as well be a low pole. Let's have a quick look at it. Okay, so there is a low pole that has been confirmed here, and although this has given a double bottom sell, I would rather wait. The daily view looks extremely pushed. I'd like a retracement and then a follow through for entry in About India. So as of now, I think it's a wait and watch. HCL Tech. Let's have a look at this. This is a triple bottom sell right at the start. We can catch it, and the targets look very interesting as well. This is because this is a triple bottom cell and it's an anchor column. The expected support area is between 1670 to 1663. Instantly, let's just have a quick look at the daily as well. Daily is pushed, but there is an anchor column retracement and a follow through. That follow through here we're looking at 1611, but I think I'd like to keep this at 1663 to 1670 for a stop, maybe a quick retracement, and then maybe continue its direction, or we'll see what happens. Moving on to India Mart. India Mart looks very interesting. This is one of the very uh, interesting things that happens on these charts. When there is an anchor column, a follow through indicates strength. This bearish ABC did try and break out, but it did not go below, or this anchor column, it did not give a double bottom sell at all, which instead created a nice anchor column here. And then there is a bear trap above D smart, which is also good. So what I see now is strength in India Mart, and but the entry that I can see is maybe above this. Yes, above this area. But I think what happens if this is a continuation, then I think this column is too long, and the stop loss will be quite a distance. So I think it's a retracement entry, will be a good one, but it's nonetheless a good watch. A good script to keep on watch list. Let's take a look at Petronet, the final one that we have so far. Um, let's take it daily. Uh, what is daily saying? Daily is a big anchor column. I think I'd like to wait for a retracement and then come back to this as well, because otherwise this is a pullback. You can see 284 at 291.65. Double bottom, double top buy, you can keep 298 for a 7 point risk to a 7 point reward. I think it's a 1:1, and depending on the gap, of course, to see how that goes and how that plays. These are the four. I don't think anything else is loaded, and I don't see anything from sectors as well. I think finally, I think it's HCL Tech, a bearish follow through, a triple bottom sell, and India Mart is a big anchor column without a follow through, and rather forming two smaller anchor columns. But I think the stop loss is a little stretched. You can still keep a tab on it. Thank you.